Spice creates history. Jada Kingdom gives fans an insight into the star life. And Poppy terrorized Miss Rona again.
Miss Rona. Yes, Selassie, I love you.
Who is Selassie, Pops?
Yes, Selassie, I love you.
King of Kings,
No. You're wrong. Wrong.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. I hope everyone is doing good out there. So people may have some stories lined up for you today, right? Like on the here in the front of the video, we're going to talk about Popcaan and Miss Rhona, and we're going to talk about Spice creating history, and also may have something with Jada Kingdom for sure. No. So people want to know a thing go with Popcaan and Miss Rhona. Whole heap of classics out there, and the man just keep adding to them. And to them I have one more for sure. No. So once again, you know, Papi decide to give Miss Rhona a hard time. And you know what? Here's the video. Here goes.
Loves me.
Oh, Jesus. What is this?
Ones to him belong. They are weak.
Joining Zamunda.
Yes,
Selassie,
Jesus. That's
oh, yeah. I call up. Miss Rona, them girls stand up.
And that part there, sir.
Them girls stand up.
You're buried that way up on the arm. No, sir.
Miss Rona, do the them girls stand up now, lady?
Jesus.
Culture and Rasta. And he said, Jano did. Jano did. Zamunda. Yes, Selassie, I love you. Miss Rona. Yes, Selassie, I love you.
Who is Selassie, Pops?
Yes, Selassie, I love you.
King of Kings,
No. You're wrong. Wrong. No.
Feed. Food. Feed.
Jesus.
You know what?
Listen me.
Addis Ababa, 2nd of November 1930. Addis Selassie.
Are the crown
Selassie
king?
dead. Selassie is not kings of kings and lords of lords. No, make me have it out, Zamunda. No. Listen me. Selassie was a prophet, yes, but
Yeah, man, then get Miss Rona crazy now. You know, son of ramp with Miss Rona in our church. Don't talk nothing about Miss Rona Jesus. And don't talk nothing about Miss Rona God and our pastor. You see me? So, you know, boy Popcaan, well provoking still. You see what I say, people? So, people, that's another classic in the series of Popcaan and Miss Rona. You don't know the thing go, you see me I say? Them they all over the internet. And, you know what I mean, we love the band, we love to see how Popcaan and his mother get along. You see what I say? I am say family. So, big up Miss Rona and big up Popcaan.
Ready for the thumping. Bad girl step out, I'm stunting. Queen, tick like pumpkin. Look on me, big body jumping.
Yeah, people, so it look like Spice create history again. We know she had the first dancehall artist to reach 1 million followers on Instagram, and now she's the first dancehall artist to trend #1 for over a week. Yes, so Friends music video has been trending #1 for more than a week now. You see what I say, people? Great video, great job by Spice and the people that will create the video. You know, the director, editor, and everybody will work on it. The people that will in it too. You see what I say? Big video. And people, we can't forget say this month Spice album a drop. We don't know what the album name yet. Remember somebody make a video from time and I telling about the album and them say it a drop March. Shaggy said, Sean Paul said, and even Spice herself said. So we know say yeah, anytime now, you see me I say any day now, we can hear say the album I go a road. And also she have that song there with Conscience, so we keep on I get snippet of the music video, but we don't know when the full music video go come, you know what I mean? But so far we see Spice in the bus and we see Conscience in them conductor shot, so we know say something I go on for that. You see me? I want to see it. When you tell me down in the comment section what you think.
Well, you know about salsa tea without sugar and go sleep. Relax. And then boom, virgin to take at a tender fucking age. Get raped twice in a 1 fucking month. Boom. I almost get killed. I almost get shot. Girl set you up. Girl set me up, almost set me up one bag of fuck girl because me that try be friendly. Got a movie with girl. She send her big brother fi act like say the taxi. Fi come pick me up, fi go rape me off, fi go fuck me off and do when me no know what to me. A good thing me catch up the rake and see the play. And that never end up happening to me. So tell me now in a my today age, who the fuck for come talk to me or them want to talk to me and the fuck you talk about? You don't know what I've been through? I'm gonna care who the fuck you is. You approach me the wrong fucking way, you get slammed. Period. The worst fucking way too. We've been through it, and that's not even fucking half of it. Not fucking half of it. Well, I never get old by fucking gunpoint yet, and I wonder, oh, boy, me hear say she have gun, and me hear say she this, and me ray, and me hear say she that, and ray. You don't know my situation. You don't know, half of you been through, half of the shit I been through, and then I got in a stardom. That was like, I don't know, oh my God.
So people in the hear what go on and they hear what Jada Kingdom has say. She has said she been through a lot, and you know people always say she have a stink attitude, so she explain why she stays so. And you know people, this story goes on and on. She said it happened about 2018, that are the setup thing where she had talked about, you know what I mean, it's a full live and there's a long other part of the video. But me I go show on another piece. She talk about stardom and how she have to deal with stardom, you know what I mean, with all these troubles. So here goes.
I get popular now. I can't do certain things I'm used to do. I can't talk how I usually talk. I can't nothing. My life turn people life. Everything I do affect people. Everything I do, somebody have something to say. It did hard. And even now, I still don't know how to cope with that. Like, a lot of them, I can't guarantee you. I take up half an hour right now, depending on life, I put on a stage and I go piss up on myself. I not ask, I tell you, I'm not piss up on myself. You don't know how to deal with, you know, out I eat, and people just come out of nowhere with them green arm, come stretch over your food, I put camera in your face. How I deal with certain things like that. As a ghetto girl I come from, where me I come from. Who grew up with me, grew up and all them something there. You have to understand, you have to put yourself in my shoes. Put yourself in my shoes and understand. Yeah. I just one of them things there. My damage. Simple. Allow me. I'm sick. Stay strong. Yeah, me have to stay strong. What gonna stay strong for me if me not do it? I can't depend on who to stay strong. I can't depend on nobody to stay strong but me. Cause I left up to people, I go hang myself a long fucking time. I not. I tell you. So what you mean? Stop complaining. Don't spot me not complain. I tell you how my life set and I give a rundown as to why people are talking about how my attitude stink. It's supposed to fucking stink. Cause I'm summer girl. Yeah, I'm been through enough with people. I'm nice to whom if I'm nice to. I treat people accordingly. Dopey but I not complain.
Yes, so when you hear it from Jada herself, she has said people give her a hard time, and I said she have attitude, but she's supposed to have attitude because she been through a lot and she have to deal with a lot on a day to day. You see me? And she says she nice to who she feel nice to. So people, more know want to think about what Jada does say. I also want to think about Popcaan Rhona and also Spice trending #1. You see what I say? And Spice album too, if you want to talk about that, you see me? But people, me I gonna leave it this today. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is. Wherever you are, stay safe.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.